In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset saved modifiers back to default on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then select Preferences. On the left side, you want to go underneath where it says Canvas Interaction, click the drop down and select Modifiers. And then on the right side, select the Reset Saved Modifier Settings to Default Values. And then you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.